So hello everyone, myself Saptak Bhattacharya, and today I will show you all the new recently I have worked on a project known as OmniRetail. This is completely made by me. So this project consists of tech stack which is of React, MongoDB, Express, JS and Node.js. Basically this is a one-stack project. So let's get started with it. So as you can see that I have just put here two folders, mainly the front end and the back end. Then let me show you first how the front end looks like. So the Omni Retail is the future of Phygital commerce. It is basically a platform which solves two problems, in two real world problems. Basically, the first real world problem is that suppose we are going to a shop locally to buy anything. Suppose we are going to a shop to buy a headphone. So we go there and we see that the brand we want is not there. So is not present in the inventory. So what we'll do? We can't do anything. So our trip gets totally wasted. And the second thing is that when we just shop online, we can't do online negotiations. So with these two things, I have merged these two things and made one solution, which is Omni Retail. Omni Retail solves both of the problems. First of all, the retailer or the shopkeeper who is just in his shop can update the inventory in this website so that the customer can see that whether his desired product is there or not, and according to that he can go there and buy it locally. And the second one which I have done is that some people are like introvert or can't do better negotiations when they're present there physically. But what we will do here, we can just basically go and make a offer, and a whole new tab will open, the negotiation room, in which the customer can negotiate with the retailer about the pricing and all. So this is all about the website, and let me show you. This is the tech stack, as you can see, the Mon tech stack, and these are all the links, the deployment link, UI UX and documentation link. And this is the key stacks that I have used. And if we go slightly down, you can see that the architecture of the backend and front end. And we as we go down, I can show you the whole roadmap and plan, that how have I proceeded in this project. To get started, we will just means if anyone wants to start my project, he can only go for git clone and clone my full project, go into the Omni Retail and start doing his project all. And if he wants to run the backend and on the front end, he can just go for this commands. So basically he can run it locally. And here is the full readme file about it. So let me first show you my tech stack. First of all, the front end, all the files and folders, I will just giving an overview. So this is all the files and folders, and just coming here, you can see that there all the pages are there. Basically I am using React, so I have done all the uh, folder parts in other sections, such as for APIs I have done the API folder, for components I have done the components folder, for the pages I have done the pages folder, and for the store, basically, why the store? Because I have used React Redux. So for that I have used the global store. So for setting the state globally, we have to give it a store, so I have just used store here. So this is all about the front end. Let's move forward to the back end now. So moving forward to the backend, you can see that in the src folder, you can see that the folder structure which I have used is the MVC folder structure, model controller and view. So this is the config. The config basically stores the database file, which consists the actual database and all. Let me just show you once. So yeah, as you can see that I have used here connections. I just connected it and just exported the file. And in the models, in the controller, here comes the business logic. All the logics related to the APIs, or sorry, according all the logic related to the uh, methods are here in the controller. And in the middleware I have used the authentication middleware, and for those I have used the middleware folder. For models, the models basically consists of MongoDB schema and the MongoDB model, which gets local connected with the MongoDB collections. And the routes, basically everyone we know about the routes are basically all the methods that we are giving, and all the routes that we are clicking on, basically the products route or the user route, uh, etc etc. The utils. Now what does the utils consist? It consists the JWT token. So what is the JWT token? JWT token we have used for the authentication and for the token generation for JWT, means uh, we can say that JSON web token. So let me just show you the deployment link without wasting any further time. So this is my landing page. So here is my landing page. As I scroll down, you can see that all these things are here. So this is the landing page. Now for starting it, we will just click on the sign in button. And if we click on the sign in button, let me first show you how we can just give it a try for a new account. Okay, so you can see that here I have also used another feature, which is the Google authentication, as well as I have used the authentication in through Node.js backend and JWT also. So with both the ways we can just log in or just create an account. So I'm for now, for the time being, I'm just clicking on Google, and suppose I am giving this account. So now it will take some time, and yeah, so see, as you can see that it is giving now go to dashboard. So I will just click on go to dashboard for checking my dashboard. So here no data is there because I have not used a hard coded data. So no data will be, no foul data will be visible here. So if the retailer is giving a data here, only the person can see that how many total offers he is including here and all. So for now I have not given any extra data in the backend, so you can't see it. So basically, just going to the shop, this is basically for the customer. I will show you about the retailer also, so the customer can also see everything here. These are all the things that I have tried previously, as you can see, and these are the dummy data that I've used previously. But after that, when I completely made my backend and all, and connected with MongoDB, I just used my original data only. So I've just tested these two, and as you can see, the retailer will give it a click on buy. Here it will come that the name of the model, and what is the base price of it, how much the retailer wants. You can go here and just click on make a offer. So clicking on make a offer will directly come to the negotiation room. Now it's the interesting part. So let's see, here is 15,000 is the best price. Okay, so I am just giving it a shot of 11,500. Okay, and just sending it. Let's see what happens. It will take some time. Oh, and it will show, okay, no, it's a bit low for the item. How about 11,700 750, around 1 by 3. Okay, so this is all about the negotiation part. Then I can again negotiate with it, and again negotiate with it. And the thing which comes to me as worth it one, I will just accept the current offer. And when I will just accept the current offer, it will show that the deal is sealed, origin original order being placed and proceeded. So I can just move to the dashboard, and when I am going to my orders, you can see that it is currently taking some time. Yes, you can see that the order is being proceeded, and order number means order ID, on which date, customer, it's obviously me. And when I'm going to the location, as I told you that every store might not be able to update their inventory. The one which are using our website will be able to do so. Suppose there are 3 or 4 websites of OmniRetail, they are using my website. So one is there in the MG road, okay, in Bangalore, suppose, and I'm just clicking on it. You will see that here is the mall, and there is a high availability of the model that I am searching for. Okay, now coming to the profile section, you can just give it your profile another edit if you want, so otherwise it will fetch from the Google authentication only. And for the live sync, you can just click on it and go for the live sync. And for the changes, you can save here the changes. And for the restore, you can just reset button, you can use the reset data, but it is a danger zone, so you better not use it. So I'm just logging out to show you the retailer side also. So for the retailer one, I am using another account. Okay, so for the retailer one, I am just using another account for signing in. Now I come as a shopkeeper or a retailer now. Okay, so coming to the dashboard, as you can see, you can notice here on the navbar only that here are how many things. One is the inventory, one is the customers, one is the settings. Okay, so first of all, you can see that in the inventory, yeah, in the inventory I can show you that how many stocks are there, how many are in stock, how many are low stock, and how many are out of stocks. So if I want to add any product as a retailer, I can add my product from the inventory to show the customers that this product is available or not. So moving on, we can see that we are giving any name, any type of model. Suppose this is a phone, and this is nothing phone, base price 1100, stock 10. It is a electronic, and then we have to choose a file. And when we are choosing a file, we are just going in the pictures. Suppose in the camera roll, I have already taken 2-3 photos previously for testing, so I'm just taking one photo. Okay, so just opening it and see image reproducts of the same image. So yeah, I'm just canceling it for right now. You can see that here at the project, and here you can edit the same thing. Here are the orders, that how many customers have ordered and how many proceeded and pendings. If suppose this one, okay, so this one is the Saptak Bhattacharya that already came and just proceeded about the cost of this mobile. So what I will do is just delivered or cancelled. Suppose it's already been delivered, so I will just click on deliver, but this will get delivered, the status will be done. On the customer side, you can see that how many customers are here and all. Suppose there are the 5 customers, and I have already made 2 of them at top status, and the recent feedbacks also what I have added. And these are the stores which I have already mentioned, and this is the setting part. In the setting part, you will just give your name, address, and all, and generate your API key from here. And this is the danger zone that I have already told you about. This is the support page. If you have any problem or facing any challenges, you can just type here, and what type of inquiry do you need, you can give here. And the urgency, how much urgent you are for the support, you can just mention it. And if you have any screenshot also, you can attach the screenshot here for more uh, optimized and good response from our team, basically from me for now. So yeah, this was all about my project.